People often conflate the two goals of increasing muscle mass and decreasing body fat. Fitness aficionados often strive for these two objectives, which may seem to be at odds with one another at times. Losing weight is important, but you don't want to seem too tiny. In spite of your best efforts, it might be disheartening to have a low body weight and a high proportion of body fat. You can do both at the same time, so there's no need to fret. Fat loss and muscle building are both possible with the correct strategy, leading to a slimmer, more toned figure. It's important about achieving the appropriate balance between calorie intake, efficient exercise, and sufficient recuperation. An important part of this process is maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and enough rest. Crash diets and excessive exercise are common mistakes that individuals make when they believe they can lose weight quickly. Although these treatments may provide visible weight reduction in a short amount of time, they often cause a decrease in muscle mass and metabolic rate. While it could contribute to temporary weight reduction, it frequently comes at the sacrifice of hard-gained muscle. This might make it tougher to sustain your weight reduction in the long term and can leave you feeling weak and weary. This is where a strategic approach comes in. By arranging your exercises and meals properly, you may guarantee that you're reducing fat while keeping muscle. The idea is to establish a sustainable regimen that enables you to shed weight gradually while retaining and even growing muscle mass. This involves concentrating on a balanced diet, integrating strength training, and giving your body time to heal. This requires knowing the science underlying calorie deficit, the relevance of macronutrients, and the impact of various training modalities. A calorie deficit implies ingesting less calories than your body needs to maintain its present weight, which causes your body to utilize stored fat for energy. By the conclusion of this video, you'll have all the skills and knowledge you need to reach your body composition objectives in 2025 and beyond. So let's plunge in. We'll cover everything from diet planning and training regimens to ideas for keeping motivated and measuring your success. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this video will help you attain your objectives and maintain a healthy lifestyle. To lose fat, you need to be in a calorie deficit. This involves ingesting less calories than your body burns every day. Simple in principle, but it takes careful preparation and execution. Don't fall into the error of substantially cutting your calorie consumption. This may backfire, leading to muscle loss and metabolic slowness. Aim for a modest calorie deficit of roughly 250 to 500 calories each day. This progressive technique guarantees you're shedding fat while minimizing muscle loss. You may determine your calorie requirements utilizing internet calculators or visiting a certified nutritionist for specialized help. Remember, consistency is crucial. Stick to your calorie goal regularly and you'll start seeing improvements. Protein is vital while attempting to shed weight and retain muscle. It plays a critical part in your total fitness journey, functioning as the cornerstone of muscle maintenance and development. Without appropriate protein, your body may start to break down muscle tissue for energy, which is counterintuitive to your objectives. It helps you feel fuller for longer, lowering cravings and avoiding overeating. This satiety effect is especially advantageous when you're in a calorie deficit, since it helps you adhere to your diet plan without feeling deprived. Incorporating protein-dense snacks between meals may also help regulate hunger levels successfully. More importantly, protein offers the building blocks your body needs to repair and create muscle tissue. After strenuous exercises, your muscles incur stress and slight injury. Consuming protein after exercise benefits in the healing process, ensuring that your muscles repair stronger and more robust. Aim for a protein intake of approximately 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. This range is suitable for most persons engaged in regular physical exercise. However, your precise demands may differ depending on variables including age, gender, and the intensity of your activities. This guarantees you're receiving enough to promote muscle development and repair. Consistency is crucial, so be sure you consume protein in every meal and snack. This strategy not only helps muscle maintenance, but also boosts your total metabolic rate. Good sources of protein are lean meats such as chicken and turkey, which are low in fat, yet rich in important amino acids. Poultry, seafood like salmon and tuna, which are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, and eggs, which are a diverse and nutrient-packed alternative. Dairy goods such as Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. They give a good mix of protein and other nutrients including beans, lentils, and tofu, which are great plant-based protein sources for vegetarians and vegans. Distribute your protein intake equally throughout the day to enhance muscle protein synthesis. Eating protein at regular intervals helps maintain a positive nitrogen balance, which is necessary for muscle repair and development. But consider consuming protein-dense meals and snacks every 3 to 4 hours. Don't underestimate the impact of protein in your fat reduction quest. It's not simply about decreasing calories, it's about making sensible dietary choices that support your body's demands. Protein helps you preserve muscle mass, which is crucial for a toned and sculpted body. It's a critical role in protecting your hard-earned muscle while you're dropping those excess pounds. By emphasizing protein, you're setting yourself up for long-term success, ensuring that you not only shed weight, but also retain a strong, healthy physique. Strength training is non-negotiable when it comes comes to shedding weight and keeping muscle. It helps you create and keep lean muscle mass, which is metabolically active and burns more calories at rest. Focus on complex workouts that work for numerous muscular groups simultaneously. These include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, and rows. Aim for 3 to 4 strength training sessions each week. As you grow stronger, gradually increase the weight you lift or the resistance you utilize. This increasing stress tells your body to create and retain muscular mass. Don't be frightened to lift heavy. It's a frequent misperception that lifting heavy makes women overweight. On the contrary, it helps you attain that toned and sculpted figure you're looking. All right, let's go into high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. It's a great time-efficient and effective approach to burn fat while retaining your hard-earned muscle. HIIT incorporates rapid bursts of intensive exercise alternating by shorter recuperation intervals. You can do HIIT with a number of workouts, including sprinting, cycling, rowing, or even bodyweight circuits. The goal here is to truly push yourself to your full effort during those hard times. Aim for 2 to 3 HIIT workouts each week, each lasting roughly 20 to 30 minutes. HIIT is a terrific addition to your strength training regimen, helping you, boost fat burning and enhance your cardiovascular fitness. In this part, we will go into the key component of fitness that is frequently disregarded, yet is just as necessary as the activities themselves. Yes, we're talking about rest and recuperation. Recovery is just as crucial as your exercises when it comes to growing muscle and shedding fat. Without adequate recuperation, your body cannot function at its best, and you risk injury and burnout. It's during these intervals of rest that your body recovers and strengthens itself. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild muscle tissue after rigorous exercise sessions. This procedure is crucial for muscle development and general fitness improvement. When you stretch your muscles to their limits, small rips form in the muscle fibers. Recovery helps these fibers to mend and grow back stronger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of decent sleep each night. Sleep is not merely a passive condition of rest. It's a busy phase when your body conducts essential healing processes. Quality sleep helps regulate hormones, boost mood, and increase cognitive performance. Function during sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is vital for muscle development and repair. This hormone serves a critical role in tissue development, muscle regeneration, and general healing. Ensuring you receive adequate sleep may substantially affect your fitness development. Incorporate rest days into your weekly schedule to help your muscles to recuperate quicker. Rest days are not a sign of weakness, but a smart aspect of your training strategy. They assist avoid overtraining and limit the chance of injury. On rest days, you may indulge in mild exercises like walking or stretching to enhance blood flow and lessen muscular tightness. These exercises keep your body busy without placing too much pressure on your muscles, resulting in rapid recovery. Don't underestimate the importance of rest and rehabilitation. Taking time to rest and refresh might lead to improved performance in your exercises and quicker progress towards your fitness objectives. Listen to your body and give it the rest. It requires it's during these intervals that your body adjusts to your exercise and creates new muscle. Continuous rest and recovery may lead to visible increases in your strength, endurance, and overall physique. Remember, rest is not a vacation from your fitness path, it's an integral component of it. While overall calorie consumption matters most, precisely timing your nutrient intake will further maximize your outcomes. Consider these tips. Pre-workout, consume a modest lunch or snack containing carbs and protein 1 to 2 hours before your activity to give energy and assist muscle protein synthesis. Post-exercise, replenish your glycogen levels and enhance muscle recovery by ingesting a meal or snack containing carbs and protein within 30 to 60 minutes after your exercise. Protein dispersion, aim to take protein with every meal and snack to increase muscle protein synthesis throughout the day. By timing your nutrient intake correctly, you may boost your body's capacity to develop muscle, recover efficiently, and maximize your overall body composition objectives. Enhancing your results, although supplements are not a magic bullet, they may assist bridge nutritional gaps and support your fat loss and muscle development journey. Below are a few supplements to explore. Protein powder, an easy method to improve your protein consumption, particularly if you struggle to fulfill your daily needs from whole foods alone. Creatine helps build muscular growth and strength, leading to enhanced performance during exercises. A, B, C as branched-chain amino acids may aid minimize muscular pain and improve muscle protein synthesis. Remember, supplements should complement a good diet and exercise program, not replace them. Always contact with a healthcare expert before using any new supplements. Losing weight and preserving muscle is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the road, but the important is to keep consistent with your diet, exercise, and recuperation. Don't be disheartened if you don't notice results immediately. Trust the process, stay focused, and appreciate your success along the road. Remember, you're capable of doing everything you put your mind to. Now go out there, demolish your objectives, and enjoy the adventure of altering your body and mind.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.